Ah, fuck!
Let go of my arm, I'll give you your money.
Yeah!
Let go of my arm.
No.
And you broke my glasses.
Good.
Let go of my
You
arm.
got contacts, don't worry.
No, I don't have them yet. Retard. Let go.
Just glue it for now. Here, put them in a plastic bag.
No, I had mine off.
Let me see. Enough!
I just got that all on video. You're welcome.
I slammed her.
I got pictures.
That's not funny. I don't have any glasses till tomorrow.
You took my money. How are you going to run off with your 16-year-old son's money? Man.
I was giving
That's
it
no
back.
shame.
No, you weren't. You ran off with it.
And we all know what she spent it on, right?
She was going to spend it on liquor.
She has to spend her money on glasses now.
She's getting new ones tomorrow, didn't she just say that?
No, contacts.
Oh, still. Contacts are better than nothing.